Hello, myself Honey. Today we are going to discuss about one of our recently completed Odoo implementation project of one of our client who is a leading manufacturer of plastic molded items. Client's requirement was to implement Odoo ERP software to manage their sales, purchase, inventory, manufacturing and accounting. Moreover, client was also facing difficulty in managing data and business operations with their software. They struggled to track order statuses of different manufacturing processes and also found difficulty in synchronizing accounting documents. We set up a project plan and initiated implementation. We mapped the entire business process into Odoo ERP structure, starting with product creation, bill of materials, and inventory management. We then created sale orders, purchase orders, invoices, and set up the accounting system. And for manufacturing, we organized work orders, work centers, and their operation. Additionally, we imported chart of accounts based on clients' data. Moving forward to live, we first set up the data in testing database for user acceptance testing. Upon client confirmation, we initiated the go-live process step by step, ensuring that all the ERP modules were tested and successfully delivered.